In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize email templates in HubSpot, tapping into a variety of powerful tools that can make your emails truly shine. Whether you're updating an existing template or starting completely from scratch, HubSpot offers a dynamic platform to ensure your emails not only look great, but are tailored to resonate with your audience. Let's begin by looking at how you can edit existing templates. Start by navigating to the marketing section, and from there, click on Email. Select the specific email you'd like to edit, and you'll find yourself in the email editor. Here, click on any section to modify its styling, or, if you prefer, head over to the Styles icon on the left to adjust the overall design of the email. Once you're satisfied with your changes, you can save this email as a reusable template by hitting the Actions button and selecting Save as Template. To make further amendments to a saved template, simply journey over to the template dashboard, locate your template, and click Edit. Don't forget to publish your changes to ensure they take effect across all pages using that template. Now, if you're in the mood to create something brand new, HubSpot makes this process straightforward. For those ready to start from scratch, navigate back to Marketing, select Email, and then click Create Email. From there, choose From Scratch, and you'll be prompted to select a name, subject, and visibility settings for your template. For a more user-friendly approach, the drag-and-drop functionality in the email editor is your best friend. Simply drag content elements into the editor to build your email design effortlessly. Once your masterpiece is complete, save it as a template to streamline your workflow in the future. When it comes to customizing the styling of your email templates, HubSpot supports inline CSS, a feature that allows you to add styles directly to HTML elements. Utilizing HS inline CSS and data HSC inline CS tags ensures your CSS is compiled and converted into inline styles, maintaining consistency across various email clients. Furthermore, individual sections within your email can be customized directly by clicking on them in the editor, providing an additional layer of personalized styling. Adding personalization tokens is another fantastic way to connect with your audience. By incorporating HubL variables, filters, and functions, such as contact first name, you can personalize your emails easily. HubSpot offers extensive documentation on supported variables and functions, which is an invaluable resource as you personalize your communications. For those comfortable with coding, the Design Manager allows you to build and edit custom-coded email templates with precision. Make use of the error console to troubleshoot any issues you encounter, and within your template, consider defining drag and drop areas. This functionality empowers content creators to add and customize elements with ease. Modules are another versatile tool, offering drag and drop convenience for adding pre-built modules to your template. If you need to make adjustments, you can effortlessly swap one module for another as desired. Finally, always remember to save your changes throughout the editing process and ensure you publish them to make your modifications live and accessible. This step is crucial as it guarantees your emails are updated and ready for distribution. By harnessing these customization techniques, your HubSpot emails are sure to reach, engage, and impress your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel confident in creating dynamic, personalized email templates with HubSpot.